and jungle.
Here's an original. Love kids. Good morning on the happy farm. The rooster sings with cheerful charm. Cock-a-doodle-doo so loud and bright. Wake up, friends, it's a sunny light. The cow says moo in the meadow green. The piggy rolls in the mud so clean. The sheep all dance in a fluffy row. Welcome to the farm, let's go, let's go!
Farm and jungle, come and see. Animals dancing happily. Stamp your feet and clap your hands. Join the fun in happy lands. Farm and jungle, come and see. Animals dancing happily. Stamp your feet and clap your hands. Join the fun in happy lands.
Now we jump to the jungle deep, where monkey swings and parrots peep. Hello, hello, the parrots say. Welcome to the jungle play. The tiger smiles but doesn't roar. He just wants to dance some more. The elephant sprays a splashy stream. Everything feels like a dream.
Farm and jungle, come and see. Animals dancing happily. Spin around and stomp the ground. Happy animal friends all around. Farm and jungle, come and see. Animals dancing happily. Spin around and stomp the ground. Happy animal friends all around.
From farm and jungle we all play. Friends of friends in every way. Laugh and sing, let joy begin. Animal world, come jump right in!
Farm and jungle.